Good afternoon, class. I hope you are ready for today's lesson. So let's start it by praying. Okay, who can lead the prayer in front? Yes, please. Amen. Okay. So before anything else, allow me to introduce myself to you. Okay, my name is Alcima Tiali, or you can call me Ma'am Alcima or Ma'am Ali, kung saan kayo mas comfortable. Okay, so who is the secretary of the class? Miss Anita? Okay, Miss Anita, please check the attendance. Thank you. Okay, so buhay pa ba kayong lahat? Okay. So, please everyone stand. Let's have a quick energizer. Okay, I will lead the song which is the Kung Ikaw Ay Masaya, Tumawa Ka. I know that you are familiar with that song, diba? Okay, so follow me. Follow after me rather. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka. Kung ikaw ay masaya, buhay mo'y maligaya. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka. Okay, very good. Say, you may now sit down. Okay, so, syempre, mag-set ako ng rules para maging peace yung natin, yung classroom natin. Okay? So, number 1. To. If someone is talking, you must listen. If I'm talking in front, you must listen. Okay? Number 2, if you want to answer, if you have any opinions, if you want any suggestion, you may raise your right hand to speak. Okay? Third, if you want to go outside, pupunta ka sa canteen or you want to CR, the door is widely open to you to go out, but you will ask the permission to me first. Okay? Last but not the least, no cell phones allowed while I'm talking or discussing the lessons. Nagkakaintindihan ba tayo? Okay, very good. Okay, so last time we have tackled the importance of farmers in agriculture. So can anyone tell me or recap why farmers are important in agriculture? Okay, anyone? Okay, yes, Miss, what's your name? Okay, Miss Aposa, tell me why. Yes, actually, I like that line. Without farmers, agriculture is nothing. Tama naman, pag wala yung farmers, is walang magmamanage sa agriculture. Okay, thank you, Miss Aposa. Another. Yes, Miss Francisco? Okay. Yes, because of the farmer skills. Kasi yung skills ng farmers is kinagamit nila or kinocontribute nila sa agriculture, right? Okay. So, all of your answers, it entails that the farmers are crucial in the agriculture because of their contributions. Okay. So, before we dive into the main topic, let's discuss first how food crops contribute in the livelihood of people in the Philippines. Okay, so before that, can anyone give some examples sa food crops na alam nyo? Okay, so yes, wheat, rice, or corn. So all of those are under siya sa cereal crops that we will discuss later on. Okay, so paano nga ba siya nakakontribute sa pamumuhay ng mga tao? Okay, sige nga. Yes? Yes, they provide food. Another. They make money for farmers. Yes? Okay, yes. Yes, because they contribute to the economy. So, tama. Yung food crops is, they provide food because they are the source of food. Without that, sa tingin nyo guys, mabubuhay tayo? Okay, di ba? Hindi. So, now, let's move on. So, I have here the activity. So, all you have to do is to rearrange those scrambled words. So, by group, I will give you. Okay, so I have here a pictures. I'll show you pictures. So, I want you to identify them and tell me or share me the uses and importance of this picture na nakikita nyo. Okay, very good. So now I have here the activity. Okay, so all you have to do is to rearrange the scrambled letter by group. So we will be assigning each group to scramble the letter, and then after that you're going to discuss here in front of class. So yung i-discuss nyo is why that crop is important in the local community, okay? And why that crop, the food crops rather, are important as a food security. Okay, so you have 2 minutes to prepare yourselves. Okay? Thank you, Group 1. Thank you, Group 2. Okay, very good. So, you will claim your prize after. So, based sa mga sagot nyo, how did you come up with activity? Mahirap ba siya? Di lang, no? Di lang siya mahirap intindihin. Okay. So, what is, do you think, based sa mga sinagot nyo kana or pinakita ko kanina, what do you think is our topic for today? Okay, tama. The types of food crops at the types of commercial food crops in the Philippines. Okay, so let's start our discussion. Okay. So what is food crop? Food crop is a primary race and culture for human consumption. So, ito na yun, kanina pinakita kong picture. So, those pictures na nakita nyo is the various food crops that we can find in the Philippines or na kinakrop or kinocultivate ng mga farmers natin in agricultures. One of the importance because it is edible or nakakain natin. Without this, do you think that we can survive? How or do you think na saan tayo makakuha ng mga sustento or support of food? Okay. Because of this food crop is nabubuhay tayo. Okay? So, nakakatulong siya sa economy, sa pag-boost ng economy, at saka sa pamumuhay natin. Okay. So, now, let's discuss the types of commercial food crops in the Philippines. Okay, so, number 1 is we have cereal crop. Cereal crop are one of the members of grass family with their seeds to eat. Isa sa mga types of commercial food crops na kinocultivate or tinatanim ng farmers natin in agriculture, which is the cereal crop. Ito yung source of primary because ito na yung bigas. Example here, the rice, wheat, or corn na kinakain natin. Okay? So next is we have root and sugar crops. Crops that is root vegetables and thick underground part of the stem which is edible to consume by human. So ito na yung tinatanim siya sa underground, which is example here is the carrots. Sa ano pa? Ube, ano pa yung tinatanim sa baba ng lupa? So yung mga ginagamit natin which is the sibuyas, ano pa? Luya, tsaka anything na food crops sa underground siya na tinatanim. Okay, which is edible or nakakain natin. Next is we have the sugar crops. Several species of tall perennial grass that are grown for extraction of sugar crops. So, are you familiar guys na sa sugar na ginagamit natin, di ba? So, ito na yun siya. Ito na yung ginagamit sa pag-make ng sugar na ginagamit natin araw-araw. Ito na yung sugar crops production. So, kinakrop or kinukultivate yung sugar na ito. Are you familiar with the parang kahoy siya na mahaba? Sinisip-sip natin na parang matamis siya? Okay. Yes, you're right. Sugar crops yun siya. Matamis siya, so ginagawa siya for sugar purposes. Okay? Okay, so next is okay, so next is we have para makita. Okay. So next is we have the food crops. Okay, next is we have the vegetable crops rather. Vegetable crops are edible parts of the plants. Ito na yung for ito na yung napaka-importante na kinakain natin. Okay, ito na yung mga gulay. So what are the example of these vegetable crops? we have pecha, we have kangkong, ano pa, broccoli, ano pa, cabbage, which is na kinakain natin. So, do you think, guys, pag hindi to siya wala to siya sa food crop production, do you think na magiging healthy yung pamumuhay natin ngayon? So, di ba, hindi. Ito na yung source of nutrition's food natin. Okay, so next but last but not the least is we have fruit crops. Fruit crops are groups of different types of fruits that are edible to consume by human. Okay, self-explanatory siya, 'di ba? So yung fruit crops, ito yung various fruit crops na nakita natin. So example here is we have the apple, banana, ano pa? Orange, ano pa? Mango. So, those are various food crops which is edible to consume by human o makakain natin, which is nutritious din siya. Okay. So, as you observe, all of those are important. The importance of food crops in our lives. Okay? Without them, we cannot live. Or without them, we are lack of nutritious food or we are lack of supply of food. Okay? At saka without them, baka hindi din mag-expand yung economy natin. Without the help of the farmers, and of course, by us as human. Okay? So let's apply it to ourselves. Okay, so magkakaroon kayo ng role play, short role play lang. Okay, so you will divide yourselves according to the row or kung saan kayo nakaupo. By row siya, okay? So each row, you will going to show or demonstrate to me the importance of food crops in our lives. Okay? So before that, I will going to read the rubrics, of course. So content 25%, creativity 25%, originality 25%, presentations 25%, overall is total of 100%. Okay? So, you will going to demonstrate to me, ha? Okay, the importance. Pakita nyo yung importance of food crops sa pamumuhay natin. Okay, 4 to 5 minutes lang yung role play natin. Okay? So let's do the evaluation. Okay, so I will give you a test paper. You're going to answer it, okay? So, write true if the statement is correct and false if it is wrong. And replace it the right answer. Okay, sabi dito, isulat nyo kung tama yung statement, isulat nyo true. Pag mali naman, isulat nyo siya false, pero i-replace nyo siya with the right answer. Gets nyo ba? Okay, for example, number 1. Root and tuber crops are group of different types of fruit that are edible to consume by human. So, true ba siya or false? Okay, so nasa sa inyo na kung true ba siya or false. So, pag true, true. Pag false, lagay nyo siya false. Again, but replace it with the right answer. Okay, so you have the 2 minutes. You have 2-3 minutes to answer these questions. Okay. So, while you are answering, I will give you your assignment. Okay, so for your assignments, while you are answering, makinig kayo. Okay, so among the 5 types of food crops in the Philippines, all you have to do is you're going to choose each one of them. Which one is you're going to plant out and tell me and tell why rather. Okay, for example, piliin nyo is vegetable crop. So, bakit itong gusto nyo itanim? Bakit itong gusto nyo itanim? Sabihin nyo, explain nyo why. Okay? So, I think you're all done. Please pass the paper in 3, 2, okay, 1. Okay, very good. Okay, so that's all for today, I think. So, I will dismiss the class. So, please, linisin nyo yung room nyo. Okay, so goodbye, class. Okay, so thank you for the participation and see you around.